But no, another thing to add on, something enter into your brain, that is lingua skills, and so on. I thank so much and being honored to be here to extend my vote of thanks on behalf of JBES and JBIET to the management for giving such an opportunity to all of you to come forward to take up a program called Cambridge Lingua Skills. Number one, may I now take a privilege to extend my thanks to Sri Ram Garu, a strong mechanical rock individual, talks about very core concepts of skilling, core concept of being not addictive towards mobile phone. Thank you so much, sir. And we have a communication expert who talks about communication in the way the British to treat. And I'm very happy and thankful to Arunachalam Garu, who has come all the way, the country head, to start up today's program for the lunch. Thank you so much. And a great thing, I wish some of us will be going great leaders tomorrow, because JBIT has a record to produce IAS, IPS, and so on. We have done it, and my students will do it. Thank you so much, sir. I must thank, we must not thank, rather, we must appreciate Honorable Secretary J.V. Krishna Rao Garu, because he dreams for you guys. If you call about, the vision is very dynamic and the vision is very demanding vision for tomorrow. He talks about a deemed to be university by 2025. On that basis, he is taking all the steps forward to be. You might have heard that what English teachers should speak, he was speaking that. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us a brief introduction about why should we learn language competency and skills. Thank you so much, sir. And may I now take the one-man army who takes all the things on his shoulders and does it at 1:30 in the evening. I'm talking about Dr. Sanjay, Professor Sanjay, the director, who has taken up all these things to make this particular MOU working, and is pressing all the time back and front to the English department to take it forward. So I will promise we are taking it forward. Thank you so much. And I cannot forget my boss and the lovely Krishnamachari Garu, the principal of JBIT, because without him the things could have not been the things that is going on. Thank you so much, sir, for being here. And I thank Srinivas Rao Garu, principal BPC, principal BEC, Sumagna Patnaik Garu, CA Garu, BLC principal, all my faculty deans and other people. And last, do you think I'll miss you guys? I can't miss you, because you are soul of this whole program. Thank you so much for all of you. Thank you. Have a great patience sitting over there with 40 degrees centigrade. Listen to all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. May